I swear to God, if not for the fact that the prince has been a wonderful person in this village, and he actually spoke to us calmly and said that he will find out the truth and get justice for Amadi, Makachi, the youths of Azora Kingdom, would have turned that palace into pieces.
Oh, this is so terrible. How can a man be so wicked and cruel to his people? He has everything he wants at his crib. Why then does he want to derive pleasure in reaping from the poor?
Just imagine. That is the epitome of wickedness. But don't worry. That man's cup will soon full. And trust me, when it does, I will be at the forefront to make sure I remove the crown from that dead corpse of his.
Ikotochi, I don't want you to be in the forefront of this matter. We both know how wicked and abusive the king is with his power. I don't want you to be a target in his list.
God forbid. That cannot happen. No, he should not even consider it. The Igwe, Azuka or whatever they call him, it should not cross his mind. He shouldn't bother. I am not anybody else. So I'm not like every other person. I am Tochi, the son of Diko Ogo the hunter. If he tries it, I will let him know that it is not only royalty that makes someone have power. I will show him who I am.
Please, I know you are strong and brave, but as they say, prevention is better than cure.
There are two girls at the gate, and their names are Esha and Ifechuku.
Oh, they are my friends. Are they here?
Yeah.
Is the king outside? Are you sure? Did you check very well?
Yes.
We are now lady in. Let's go.
I'm supporting my sister. Don't come. Hey! We just say we will follow you come. You understand? When you come, na vacation, I carry us come. Na vacation, I can. She will talk. Do not say it, oh. Sister. Stand up now. Come on out from my body. Which kind of talk come down?
Why you challenge her like that, Nana? You have.
Come sit down.
I know sit.
Sit down. See better thing. Go big man house. You tap. You see rich. Calm down. I better respect yourself. That the enjoyment you go enjoy. Now someone can join you. Give us update, my sister.
I know they enjoy anything, no. Here what they now walk and they walk. I know they enjoy anything.
Come on for them. I say they behave. Once they don't they progress, they don't want me to join them.
They go say money no dey, money no dey.
You
But
don't
you
come,
dey
my
leave.
sister.
You dey
You
leave.
don't put us on the obile. We won't follow you. They enjoy. I swear.
That one no go be problem. I go put una for the obile. But the thing wey dey there be say she una ready to work.
Walk. We come walk.
Wetin you come do?
We come flex.
Vacation.
Vacation.
Yes.
As per say here na your papa house.
Now we been dey work there. We come call
Big
you.
man house. What did they do? No be enjoyment.
That's
Enjoyment time for big man.
Na work you go work. So the two una two suppose ask una sef na be say which work I fit do.
Which work we fit do now? Well,
If you go, Shabuna, get all this in a maiden cloth. If you help on the sew on a cloth, because now that one be our specialty.
We know they find tailor. For this place, we know they find tailor.
una dey find inside work, inside house work.
Like
Well, anything concerning kitchen, leave am for me. I can cook, I can fry egg, I can fry meat, fish, I can wash plates, I can boil water, I can.
Shut up your mouth for there. Which kind of talk come be that one? Only. Which kind when you dey behave like this? I know they like this kind of attitude when they behave. Oh.
What's that?
When every time I tell you something, if I don't tell you something, you don't take the thing from me, go dey do am. No be every time I don't tell you, I don't dey get dream. Say I want own restaurant.
Your own na dream now. We're talking about reality, your reality show. What we talking about dream? How many times I don't tell you if I dey tell me no dey collect talk about
Sir,
mouth?
respect yourself.
You go respect yourself.
Respect yourself. See, now something they make me.
No shower self for
what
this
they do? You
place. No shower self for this place. You know, like I'm.
voice now.
You know, like I tell this one make come on hand. I'll punch person.
Come
1, 2.
So now like this not to want take work for you.
I don't understand. Like this disrespect is getting out of hand.
You will say you won't cook. You know they see yourself. You know they see your size.
Oh my God, bless. You see this way you talk. Eh? God go run for you. Normally, you not supposed to make heaven. But again, we go run for you with 2K. I mean, they tell you. God go bless you for this way you talk.
Cook. It is a year in a shrine. May you go the bomb food up and down.
How many times I don't bomb food?
How many times I don't bomb food? Count for you.
How many times I don't bomb food? Count.
Okay, the other day when you bomb food, where you come shop,
Okay, that one now.
Good. That time when you put food for fire, they come shop. When that brother come shop, come tell us say food they burn for house.
2.
When we dey house, they sleep. Come before you know the smoke, come they cover our nose. What is that one come be?
We nearly die 3.
Good. Now continue.
Do not continue.
Good. My sister, with this following viewpoint of mine, I know that I'm able to convince you that I am the winner of this preposition of a thing that we're dragging.
Allah, you don't confuse
But
you.
you know if you enter kitchen now.
Not truth.
How you want to receive?
I don't let the people,
can't
the
enter
owners
kitchen.
of this house know say I don't commit this kind of atrocity.
Oh yeah,
I
move
can't
dey
enter
go.
kitchen. I can enter kitchen.
Move dey go, abeg. Move dey go.
I can enter kitchen.
No, we have to agree ourselves. Forget this girl now. We don't come. This girl now just be like outside.
But you know I can enter. But you know
I
I
know,
can
but
enter.
I cook more than you. The only thing.
But you know that me, I
the
can
only
enter
thing is that they forget something. I forget that they make me bother soup. But they cook food past you. You don't know what they cook.
They cook food past
Yes,
me.
you should. Yeah, you would cook past.
They cook food past me.
Yes, of course.
May they cook manu and salt. They cook food past me. They play. You're warning yourself.
Respect yourself. I know they like this kind of thing. As we come this house now, more we achieve something with our life. More we all respect ourselves.
Security.
That means no be royalty share will sit down since now. Now servants people own.
Yes. No good. First is now. First you.
Come on, I know they like them.
No. Leave me. Come on, now. Come on now.
Agbagari na ege sanja. Agbagari na eje Lagos. You don't push me.
Come on now.
Jesus. Wait. Eche come. Eche, wait, stop.
I didn't hear.
Who that be Eche? Eche, stop.
No, they drag me now.
Go back to sleep. Jesus. Now we'll go back to this palace. Go see. I know they like this guy. I did get phobia issue for fear. I don't know.
Maybe you know be really ghost we see now.
And you be talk this ghost matter. You say if you die, you come fight me.
Maybe no be ghost we see. Maybe na just carry see.
Oh, they carry see.
Yes.
You carry see yourself here. They come. Just carry see.
Where you dey go now? Try to involve me now. They involve me now. Man know wetin dey sup. You see another one wey I no see.
Carry see yourself.
My love, you are yet to tell me the outcome of the meeting between you and the youth outside.
I need to be left alone. Please. I demand you leave now. I need quietness. Ah!
Agriwa. Can you remember? Huh? What's going on? Amara! Hi! Amara! Amara! Hi! Can't believe this, Amara. Oh yeah, come now. Amara, is this you? Eh? Amara, come forth. Just open that bar. Look at you.
What is your business?
I don't want my business. Eh? Look at you. I told your father asked you to stay away from this idiot. Look at where he brought you to come and stand. To one particular place that is very nice. Okay. And this is where you are standing.
Obina, stop cutting through corners. Stop meandering. Talk to me directly. You said I'm stupid, Abi? I don't have a future.
Obina,
say it directly to me.
See, I'm not here to answer any useless questions. Eh? The person I am talking to knows himself. And that person is a fool. The person does not have future. Oh yeah, you want 1 naira, nothing at all.
Obina, this is the right time.
You dare not.
You don't need to go anywhere. This is the right time.
Amara, this is not the right time.
Talk Obina, to him direct.
Talk to me.
This is not the right time. The person I am talking to knows himself. I've been looking for an opportunity to tell him that he's a fool. No way home at all.
Okay, I am stupid, right?
Yes, everything. Oh yeah, you go to
Obina, I'm stupid, Abi.
Look at
I'm a fool, Abi.
Don't you? Am I saying blue?
Eh?
Blue.
I am stupid. I am stupid, Abi. I am stupid. Yeah. But
Masude! Hey! Masude! It has happened. Okay. Hey, Masude. Where will I start from? Oh my God, it has happened live.
It happened on us.
It's your daughter, Amara. He had now gone wagging wine now. I'm now going to Utesha Jibo. Name me like this.
Obina, I don't understand.
What is it that you don't understand? Masude, your daughter Amara, she is busy with that useless boy called Tochi. A boy that does not have future in this village. She is busy with that boy and I take it in and I say bring it up.
Obina.
Yeah.
Tochi.
Immediately. Oh, hand me.
Wine.
Hey, Masude, you're wasting time.
We are there now. We are there now.
Help you.
Did I startle you?
No, my princess. No, ma.
I saw some new girls today in the palace. Who are they?
Oh, Echa and Ifechuku. They are my friend. They are here seeking for employment.
You never told me.
I was coming to tell you. I was about coming to tell you.
I hope there won't be trouble.
No, my princess. They are far from trouble.
Tell them I will see them soon.
Okay, my princess.
Let him come down. Next time he will.
Obina.
Left. Hey.
Obina. The stupid person has come. You said I'm stupid.
No, hey, you see, I cannot say something like that. Tochi, you should know me by now. See, I'm your brother.
Okay.
Yes.
So what did you tell Amara's father? About me?
Oh! Look at you. See, I was even telling the man that, look, that Tochi is a nice man. That you'll be helping a lot of people in this village from one person to another. You know, all these things. So
you are not the one that told him that I was with his daughter? Eh? And that I'm stupid. You're not the one.
See, Tochi, I don't know why you are saying this. See, everything is fine.
Obina, what is my name?
Tochi.
Good. If Tochi does not kill you today, then don't call me Tochi again.
See,
if I do not design your body, then it is not me.
What's that thing behind?
I tell Waka.
I do. I don't go tell Princess about it. So she said she go carry the interview very soon. So I dey wait.
Wait oh, how you take Desha say down her Princess go grant them? You know say down her Princess guy she take the...
Wetin be your own?
Okay.
Why you be say now you be the weapon come against me for this palace? Wetin I do you?
Wetin I talk?
Eh?
Wetin I talk?
Shey you know make my friends then get work for you?
Madam, the question I ask.
No, you know what make them work here now? Just tell me.
Mona, wait. That one a princess will get evil spirit.
You want put fuel for the fire. Wetin be you? You see say she don dey vex already.
See her mouth.
Question I dey ask.
I take God beg una to Mona leave me. I won't think.
Sorry, ma.
Ma think I want to give my friends them tips so that if they reach there, they no go fall my hands. I beg.
Sorry.
But wait oh. Wetin you know say you go tell them now? Well, you know wetin she wan ask them. Like wetin your mind dey tell you say may you...
I no blame you, no be your fault.
Sorry.
No be your fault. The whole food wey they chop for this palace, you know they show for your body, so I no blame you. Mona leave me, let me think. Make her think. Make her think, I beg.
Madam, think.
Think. If you need calculator,
I'm telling you, there is something strange about her. I saw what she did to the food I gave to her. There's something odd about her.
you're not the only one who has noticed that. Everybody in this palace knows about it, but no one is brave enough to say anything. So all we have to do is to keep our mouth and our curiosity closed and act as if everything is fine.
Is everything all right here? I doubt. Because I heard someone say odd. What are you talking about?
Ma, it's a relationship issue between my man and I.
Oh, I see. Shit happens. I'm done eating. Go clean the table.
Why am I holding on? I need this. I told you I will eventually run out of patience. Please, I need this as my wife.
Wait! I'm not in the mood. I can't do this right now. This is not the right time.
You must be in the mood. You must be in the mood. You are my wife. I need this. I've been patient. You know that. And then... Oh, baby, look at all this. Look at all this, and... You know how hard it is for me to hold myself, to be a gentleman, not to go outside my matrimonial home. You know that. Please, give me this thing. Give me this thing. Wife.
Oh, baby. My friends. You want this?
Yes.
It's all yours.
Hey.
Hold on. Hey, let's do it. Let's do it. Slowly. Gentle. Slowly. I'll give you all of this. You want it?
Yes.
Different style.
Okay.
Like that.
I'm ready.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Yes. Close your eyes, baby.
My eyes.
Oh, my love.
Hey, come, baby. Come, my love. Come.
Relax. Relax. You two have seen me in my true form before.
Mara, listen, food is life. I want to live for you.
Now you be Madam Abi. Eh?
Today I the best I will do.
You supposed to say, now me talk. Now you be the Madam Abi.
You shouldn't be here.
I don't think this is cooking. No with you. No with
Who you dey call a cookie? You don't get respect. Come on, will you zoos out of here? When you zoos, you don't get respect. I beg my face better business. I beg you. Shemina, you be the person where they employ us. You're supposed to employ us. Maybe you.
Yes, I am.
Beautiful. Now, according to the book of law, meaning that if left hand wash right hand will do what? Wash left hand. As we don't know your true color, say you be queen of the coast, you are a ghost, you are a spiritual appear and disappearing. Now only God knows ethically you call this palace, maybe you can do, but one thing I want to tell you be say, we go keep your secrets for you. Only if you employ us. And another thing, you know who kill us. Because before you strike, we will strike.
I have no intentions of cleaning me. Except one person.
Which person?
Which person?
Echi.
Ife. You know that she did the character.
Shut up.
Please, I'm innocent.
Kill him first.
I'm innocent.
Every other person, if you live there, or you see this guy, kill him.
No, they kill.
It's of no use to humanity.
Good night.
No, jeez.
Leave me. May they kill me. May they kill your own sister.
Echi.
See him.
Echi.
Leave me. I said you go betray me.
Which one is saying that so you go betray you? Your mouth go down the sharp. No be you.
No touch man of death for useless.
Now you don't there. I can kill you. No be you there yet. Just start talk with me.
Baby.
Yeah.
What happened? You seem not to remember anything.
Oh, you were drunk last night. I had to put you to bed.
Drunk?
Yes.
We both know that I don't drink alcohol.
I was surprised you did. But I understand. With the pressure and trauma the king has placed on everyone, I know this might happen. But no offense taken. By the way, your breakfast is on the way.
Stay for front, stay for front. For school, na by height. Small children they stay for front. Others go dey introduced. Respect yourself. Sorry, Queen of the Coast, no verse. According to the book of wisdom, where we want from start. Yes, now we will start from wisdom, my sister. According to the book of wisdom, I want beg you, let what we see yesterday be water. Then today on.
Go be fraud.
Fraud.
Flood.
Fraud.
Flood.
According to her, she said maybe fraud. If you swallow and down concern no verse. We wish to unsee what we will see yesterday. Today on, we will not see anything. See, we don't look one place. Either she won't kill you or she won't change you to tortoise. Now what do you want?
No,
you can change her.
See that I will see her.
Madam, calm down. You feel change her.
No, me not see her. No, me miss her. Not see her.
Who's here? What's the worry? You're the queen of the coast. See, my interview is as a shrine person for now.
Leave me.
Set. You see, you say you set yourself. Set your. I don't tell you to speak the dress well. Calculate yourself. You say you set your clothes well. Set.
No,
punishment yourself.
Me and you, they face the punishment together now.
Queen of the Coast, you dey shout. I swear to God, no change it to something else. I no dey. Eti, for front of Queen of the Coast cross leg. You dey cross leg follow am.
Have you done this job before?
The job, according to experience, if na housework, Queen of the Coast, we no dey fear. We dey clean house, we dey sweep. So we get experience. Yes. That no be problem. But anything when you want use and do, if you use and do, that will not get problem with that. Anything. If you can go in a kingdom. Yeah?
If you wear Eche
dey in the front of Queen of the Coast. In one swallow, one can go their kingdom. Even if she kill you now, no concern me. Man, no verse. Anything we use and do. That just for us to just dig grave will be size burial. Now so just nothing. I go represent you for life.
In here, we use standard tools for a professional and neat job. Are you conversant with the tools?
Actually, ma, me I use my last place of work, I use standard professional tools to work.
For where?
No, calm down, me I talk. Now you know everything you sabi. I use standard professional tool for work, so I'm convenient with it.
Compatible.
Compatible.
I'm consider.
Consider. Allegedly, ma. I mean, So allegedly, I'm in awe. But I promise if I handle work, in fact, all your workers go quit because they will automatically be useless to you.
Talk what you if you do.
Now you know.
What's your area of specialty?
Everything, ma. Everything is my specialization. My special. Hey.
And you?
Na collabo. Anyone which they do, I follow for inside.
Copy.
Show me copy.
You no get what you do. Common specialty, you know.
Me, I specialize follow.
They specialize follow me. They play.
I'll give you girls a test to run.
Test? No, you fit take her. Anything we want to do, nothing they happen. I go tell mama
what not that test.
The same test. They give us special to answer. They are tough. We want carry you go. Check this now, white spoon.
If you don't put me for trouble for you know calm down. Your mind no go rest.
What did they worry you?
I hear say they don't give you the work. Congratulations.
Everything just happen, vam.
Be lie. Take her to the club.
Thank you.
You think she be scratch?
I want to ask you something. Don't get it, they bother me since.
Waiting be that.
I don't wait since man know that I go see Prince for this in the palace. I no see. Have fun now. I no get Prince for this palace. Try me now, make you show me the place. Man other me and I feel run 1 or 2. From there, when I feel run show, from there we feel call the date. From date we go enter marriage. From marriage, I don't become una queen. If the king no would like her, if you your verse, tell me say, will you go away and leave my son alone? From there, go give me big money. I go collect the money, I go chop her, I go see the love his son.
So Prince go come marry you. For your mind now, it be full package.
The package, I need to see the package.
Where the package dey?
See now.
Thomas, see first.
Yeah. When they see enough package. No, am I not packaged enough?
You are not packaged enough, ma. Tell you. No be say we no get Prince. We get Prince. But you see that woman, that princess, we accept you. We give you this work now, we make you wear this thing we wear. Now the prince wife be that. Now the wife. So come on your mind for there.
They don't marry.
They don't marry, yes.
They do traditional marriage.
They do traditional marriage.
They do white wedding.
Ha! Yes.
Out of court wedding.
Wetin concern you?
Answer question wey they ask you on Uber. Out of court wedding.
They do court wedding.
You don't born for her?
Wetin you wan use all this information to know? Wetin concern you?
She don't born for her.
She never born.
Yeah. Orakube na. Hope still there na. If as a never bubble, I hope see there for me now. Because very soon now, Igwe feel your verse say, go away, there's no heir to my throne. I let another new lady come and give heir to the throne. And so now they are for going down.
It's a good
It's shocking, Abi. It's shocking.
Talking about the Igwe, thank God say talk about him now. You see that man, I tell God beg you, avoid them. Avoid them. If Igwe they come left, follow right. If they come right, follow left. She dey waiting at the talk.
Alright, who him be a monster him be?
That he pass monster. That man no get like this way me and you get heart, he no get heart.
Why you dey touch my chest?
No verse.
They touch my chest.
Oh yeah, sorry. I just dey give you advice as my friend. That man heart he dey for back. He strong pass stone no. I don't dey tell you now. Avoid them. She dey waiting at the talk.
They chop bottle. I bet see I dey like them my lane. You see me, I no want die before my time.
Better.
Now HA now you go tell because that girl be like who want die by tomorrow. If they like anyway she go trouble they follow him. So now HA you go they tell no they tell me I dey my lane every time.
Not true. Where HA dey?
They ask me no be na employer for work. If they do it duty now, you go find out for where they do it.
I dey come make her check.
Stone, I know they say that.
Keep on. Make her check whether she that side. HA!
Alpha King, I hear say they say you tell you, so you be terror by night. Eje by they don't try me. As I call this your palace now, don't try me. If you change that for me, I'll change that for you. That's it. Don't like this. I just they laugh you. You dey hear say they use this like. Now how they go take grind your teeth this night?
How you go tell me say you can't go?
What did you say by night you don't cook? Eche?
What did they?
Eche?
Now this is what they use cook for us. Stove don't finish, firewood don't finish.
You tell me you start to the drag, say that you must be chief cook, that you want to be cook. You don't know Abi? Now I don't give you work where you go cook. You say you don't go. Eche, carry this thing and light this fire.
And then say this thing a traditional palace. Me and the thing say na firewood stuff.
Eche, you be liar. Eche, I dey laugh you. I will laugh you in Portuguese. I will laugh you in Swahili. I dey tell you. Better respect yourself, cook this food. Just see yourself everywhere dry. Hunger dey down and you never give people when get hard food. What is they employ you for? Now how are you here?
Hello?
Welcome, Queen of the Coast.
Why don't I smell food in this kitchen?
Bam! You see this way you talk? Say, channel it to her.
So actually, ma explain myself.
My sister don't speak English. Come on, English.
Actually, ma, the day I was dragging for this place of making this food. So, you know, we were told that this palace is a traditional one. In my mind, I dey picture, what is they call it, firewood and kinika and other things running am. Only for me to enter that kitchen and they see all these high things. And they see gas.
This girl na fraud liar.
Excuse me, don't interrupt me.
Oh, really?
I say, what's going on? What the heck is this thing doing here in the
What the heck? You put heck for what they take me up because.
Hello, hold on.
She go heck
I say, what's this thing doing in the palace, traditional palace? And I say, this one make she help me cook. Since me I no fit use am.
You say men who help you cook?
I tell you, I never.
You are a body. Shut up!
I tell you, I never.
See, Queen of the Coast, this girl a liar. Strike this girl. In short, punch her. She be this girl lying there for your front. The drag. Don't believe the drag say that you go cook.
Yes.
Now you go be cook.
Yes.
Why can't you face it? You this body liar. Shut up!
Enough. This is a royal palace.
Good.
You have 30 minutes to make me a sumptuous rice.
Beautiful.
You, why haven't you cooked?
Me? Queen of the Coast. If I start to cook for you, it will take 3 days later before I go see the food show. Because I go start with beans. I go first cook the beans. You know, before you know as beans they take now. Even if you put account, it will take time before you do. Then I'll go enter another account candidate again. I'll go cook the I'll go enter a teacher. You know a teacher? I'll go enter a teacher. As I cook the child, Okay, Uma.
No, save it. Thank you. You have 30 minutes. You to make me a native soup.
Me?
Rice. Native soup.
No.
Am I correct?
I'm a native soup. Give me rice. I know. Is there anything native about
30 minutes.
Mama,
If I come back here and my food is not ready,
use up for sacrifice. Now she go feel am. Now she go feel. Now she go feel am, ma.
Mama, if you cook sauce, I cook only rice now. I never cook sauce before.
You cannot make some rice, but you make rice. Look, they bless me now. They say, how come? I think this girl na good. Because they hungry.
Professional tailors.
Who is that fool? I'm sorry, who is that fool that made this floor where I had to fall? Sorry. Who? Hey!
Like that, small picking like this. What you do now? Just not carry face like man who want to attack him. You know, do you know whose presence you are standing? Presence of an oracle. Shrine. King. Okay, king. King. Yes, king.
One more word from you, I will have your head.
Which person head?
You made the back of a lion to touch the ground.
Bro, Azalna.
Now you go you call bro.
Oh, sir. King Nazal now.
People have been not that kind. Where lion they? Why you talk say they? Which lion? See small picking where they talk say you allow the lion back to touch ground. This small chain now. If you see lion, not be running.
Why have you see the lion?
Oh, you don't go run.
Sorry, the blood is.
You made me fall to the ground.
You make who?
You say who? Why did they put life on your head like this? You will never chop 3 square meat.
They make person they fall. I want they make you fall for God. Igwe. Hey.
Who mopped the hallway?
Which mop? Hallway. We not get hallway.
Hallway. Na me mop hallway.
Which hallway?
Hallway. Na here be hallway.
Hallway. Which one be all the way?
Hallway. Now what they call all? Like where everybody dey enter. Hallway.
Yes. Oh, now see for 10.
Na me mop. Okay, now where lion dey?
Igwe. So now you lion there.
Now you lion there.
Is that how to mop in your village? Flooding everywhere with soapy water.
I'm not flood. I swear to God. May I mop that place? I'm a specialist.
Specific.
I'm a specialist in mopping.
Okay.
I'm telling you the facts. Me, I cannot flop.
You know flop?
I know flop.
What do you flop?
Flop is
okay, floppy. Flop.
Clock it.
Okay, clock it.
That I know flop, I swear to God. And me, I know.
Do they swear?
Igwe!
Igwe, you fall. You dey bleed. See your forehead.
What's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of that?
You know the 16, no.
But this small fall where you fall, now you don't bleed.
The fall can't be like the bleed no be for head or not for crown. Igwe, your crown
Guards, take them away.
Stop!
Stop! You are dead! What are you doing in my palace? What are you doing in my palace? You carry my crown. Let me have my crown back. Let me have it back!
Nemesis knocks, Igwe Azuka. The crown bleeds from the blood of the innocent. This is what you have crowned yourself with. A ruler born from the dead.
Get out of my palace. You have no right to be here. Get out!
The crown bleeds.
Now get out. Get out of my palace! Get out! I said get out! I said get out! Get out! How did they see this? It smells like trouble.
Eche, I just dey waka everywhere. All these palace they find you. They pray say make you no go put yourself for problem. Eche, you don't already put yourself for problem.
I bet no dey use spit dey bath me. I think go beg you.
Me, I dey use spit bath you. Eche, shall don't want you say make you stay away from king. Eh? Wetin be more wey you no fit use well? Wetin be more?
Wetin I apply for? I apply for kitchen work. Na wickedness give me more man dey clean house.
Eche, how you wan take dey for kitchen?
Mona no stress me. No stress my life at all. You hear me so? No stress me.
If you dey apply for something wey be say your height, you fit accommodate.
Me and mop no talk pass me. Mona, don't dey talk what you know. Abeg, dey talk what you know. Hey,
avoid king o.
Make king to avoid me.
Eche, avoid king.
Make king avoid me, no be small person too. Make king avoid me.
I take God beg you, avoid that man.
I take God beg king, may you avoid me.
Are you being serious? Are you telling me since you marry your wife, you have not had sex with her?
Not a single day. I've known that woman for a long time. We are not intimate. I've never kissed her. I've never caressed her. Nothing at all, and it seemed not to be bothering her.
Sorry, brother, to say. I think there is something wrong somewhere. Have you tried running some medical tests on her? And secondly, what if there is someone else?
No, not my wife. Charles, don't even go there. My wife doesn't have anyone else. She doesn't even have a family member or a friend or someone that she visits. She's always at the palace. What about the medical tests? That I've never thought of.
Wait. Your wife, she doesn't have friends? No family? They don't come around?
I've never met anyone from her family before. No cousins, no family member, no aunts, no uncles, you know. When I got back, we had a court wedding. And I never really bothered to ask a lot of questions.
How did you get married to her? Bro, are you being serious right now? Your wife's life is completely blank shit. And you're paying blind eyes on it. Please, you have to do something about it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You employed some staff recently.
Yes, Your Majesty. Is there any problem?
I want to know their identity. There's something fishy about them.
Ekene and Ifechukwu. They are non-indigents of this kingdom.
So what are they doing in my palace?
They are my relatives. I brought them here to give them a better life by securing a job for them here in the palace. So you have nothing to worry about. They are from my kingdom.
I am meeting members of your family for the first time. They're lucky. But I want you to keep them far away from me. Because I am not going to have mercy the second time.
As you wish, Your Majesty.
I smiled at her.
Your Royal Highness. Welcome, ma. Your Highness.
Did you commit any offense against the king?
Hey! So no, the full palace don't yet just. Nah, wow. I get trumpet for this place.
Listen, the king already had a target on you and your ally. I lied. I told him we are related, so that you can be free to do whatever you chose. I must warn you. Be careful.
Say wala do. Wala ma, be careful.
I know you two possess a special gift. And I believe with that, I can be able to achieve whatever I want on this mission.
Like, what is the mission?
It's a no concern of yours. You will go to the king's chambers to clean it. Why doing that? I want you to look out for anything diabolic. I mean, anything unusual.
Diabolic, no be juju. Ha. If una want give me punishment, say I do something, or una want chase me come out from palace, no, una just tell me ma come out. Una know they use time when they punish person like that, but it's not good now. You don't already give me correction, say no do this thing, no, I don't agree. When people they tell me man no go, that man no, man avoid the way, they push me go the way side. You want me to buy me? Tell me now.
You are a smart young woman. You can do this neatly without raising dust. Name your price.
No, you pay 100K, no bad though. Because I'm risking my life now, right? I'm going to Igwe say this thing to clean. I'm trying to interfere in business that does not concern me. I'm trying to prognose in somebody's private life. I'm trying to do something that will risk my life. What if I go and eventually I not succeed? They will kill me. So let the 100K just be there and be hyping me. You understand? Jesus.
This is the sum of 200,000 naira.
From where to where? Na bag of nyash, I been a nyash of money. Jesus. Ma, what's in the inside this body? I beg. Ma, how come? You will come out say you don't carry anything. Bagging, where the money for enter? Like, how you tell no say I go ask for money like this? How? Involve me, I beg. I'm lost. Sorry, drop am here, I go pick am.
You must report to me in 2 days' time.
When you rise, the thunder strikes. When you speak, the clouds to steal. Your word was rain upon the land. But power drank deep in your chamber. The marketplace whispers your name, not in honor, but in dread. The lives you are meant to keep, you destroy. The bleeding crown that no one could see.
Why una want kill me like this now? Una no kill me, oh, it's not my turn yet to die. I still be small pikin, I never enjoy life. I beg, una free me. It's my eyes here.
What is it?
It's my eyes here. Now the mission where you send me. You send me go mission. Now mission want top my head. I go there. I go in there where you say my go Igwe place. Now I enter. The kind charm where there no be small charm. Oh. In fact, that place na semi-shrine. Semi-shrine. Semi-very big shrine.
You must destroy it. Destroy the charms.
Destroy everything. Who give me power destroy shrine? I beg go. I no be Ebube Dike. I no be Ebube Monster. I no be Balfadaru. I know they destroy shrine. I beg. I beg you now. You are tormenting me. What do you want from me now? Haven't you done enough? Haven't you done enough?
This is important to me. It is important for my mission.
No, what you concern me now? Now what I can't do here, my queen. Now what I can't do here? I'm not gonna cast demon. As long as the demon no disturb, no block my way. Make the demon day. What do I want to do for the demon now? Make the demon day or make me a day my own now. I
begging you.
Please, ma, I'm begging you too for my life. Please, ma, I'm begging you. I come palace, come work. I know they can't see one. I'm begging you, ma. Please.
Ekene.
Ma.
You must destroy the charm.
I will give you your money back in that one, I bet.
Where is it?
And they come. You know, they man go bring that. Another one. You mean dress? Jesus. Azal, ma! Azal! How you don't see the money where I keep how the money take appear na? Please, who are you, ma? Who are you? You need to tell me. Am I dreaming? Oh God, now. You are threatening me now. You are tormenting my life now. I don't like this the way you did do. Now the money I want now, I beg now. I don't want to do this now. The tears no gree comot like now. I wan cry, you know they comot. In a bad thing I will comot. Ife! Your sister don stuck here. Ife, don't be for me. You get money. Not because of money that they treat me like this. Let it be known that is because of money. Demons come, they threaten my life. Let it be known. My grandfathers, my generation to come, my children. Let it be known that it's because of money. It's because of money.
You see this thing? This thing will be like we don't do native doctor before it become evil.
My sister. No? You think I go to destroy the thing? I go turn to pillar of salt for inside your room.
But why she want kill this? She want destroy her father-in-law. Eh?
She know.
She never give us the full gist though.
No, but one
talk. Might be like how they keep secret from us.
No, they talk.
But one day, Fawonia should do what?
Open.
Sahe Savannah go open.
I thought I said, I have to do it. Not because of small money where you give me 200k. Not come back and risk my life.
Eti. They give you money. Eti. So this give you Eti. So this woman give you 200k. 200 pa. Eh? And you heard that from me. Where my court?
Which court?
Where my court? I know the.
Which court? You calm down.
Calm down. Where my court? Stop that rubbish. How am I give you 200,000 now? You not tell me you need
200,000 from
thief.
From ghost.
I'm gonna give me this one from ghost. You collect money from ghost. Give me 200,000 I make it. I go change that for you. Bless me you. I go change that for you.
She collect her back.
My friend, give me
now.
Where my 200,000? Where my own share? You get my own share and my money equivalent. You must give it to me.
I tell her say I no want.
Give me money.
Give me money now.
You hear me? Give me my money. Give me my money. See, me and you feel so. See, I go press you now. I go press you now. You know good. So I say, if you don't give me the money, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that money.
I never too chop.
Give me that money.
I want pento.
Give me that money.
I want pento. I never chop. I want pento.
Give me that money.
Hold on now.
Give me that money.
In fact, now 10k she give me. I'll give you your money.
Where were you? She got me worried.
I went out to clear my head.
Oh. I hope you did.
You know what? I've been thinking. Since I met you, I do not know anybody from your family. No relatives, no family members, nothing at all. I know absolutely nothing about you. And this is strange.
I understand.
No, you don't. And this is not funny. It's a serious matter. Like I know nothing about you, nothing about your background, no family members, no relatives. It's as if you fell from the sky.
Actually, I have 2 of my relatives here in this palace.
What? 2 here in the palace?
Yes, I brought them myself. You will see them in the morning.
Okay, I see. I see.
Refuse to stay dead, I am going to end you in your death. Where are you? I'm ready for you. Take it! Take it! I am the rock! I'm the rock of Asura! You cannot challenge me! You can. Show yourself! I want to end you! I want to end you! I want to end you! Up here! Up here! Nonsense!
Peace you shall never have, Igwe Azuka, until death envelops you.
Mate, meet my husband, Prince Ugo.
Prince? Oh, wow.
My relatives. I brought them here so they could be useful. They haven't really been doing anything meaningful at my hometown. So this is why they are here.
Hi.
Hi.
Greet him properly.
Oh.
Okay.
Greet him, my prince.
What will be the meaning of that one? I will show you the
I didn't greet them now. Greet
no, wait, it's money has done the shake now. No, what did they try to say now?
shake now.
But you know say na me know what I dey fight for here. Now you now what you know? Which
What do you know I know? What do you know I know?
Which one say what you know I know? If 20 people they find something, you self go to find something, they can go to find something.
Your Majesty, I beg you, take it.
Enough. It's enough. College my turn, I don't see.
Anyways, we'll discuss about this later. Right now, I have a meeting with my father.
Go back to your duties.
Who do you try to say alright? Why they work out alright? They tell me go back. They say, stay in one come out.
Go back to your duties.
Leave me there. Go. Na intentional act. Come up for road, ma. Come on.
Wait, no. Come, don't sell this market to you one sell. Don't sell that market to you one sell. No try am. Elisa, since when you start to find a couple?
No, leave me alone.
Are you sure these are your relatives?
My relatives. I will have to excuse him now.
You summoned me, Father.
Prepare your men for war. War is coming.
War? With who?
With the kingdom of Ule.
Father, we've been allies with the kingdom of Ule. Why then do you wish to wage war against them?
When the antelope claimed to be a wild animal because it has the privilege of being in the jungle with the lion will want to put him to test. The lion will want to test him on a relay race. King Odinaka has refused to give his own portion of a land at the boundary that separates our land. And since he wants to prove stubborn, since he has decided to prove stubborn, that means he wants war. He wants blood. And war he shall get.
You want to fight him over his portion of land? Father, what happens to negotiation? Peaceful approach to things. You can make him an offer that is too big for him to say no to. Rather than waging war against him because of a portion of land, Father.
I summoned you not to give your opinion, but to carry out my orders to prepare your men for war.
With all due respect, I shall not prepare for any war. If you want to fight him, you fight him yourself. As for me, when I take over this kingdom, when I take over this throne, I shall choose peaceful approach over war and tyranny.
Go now! Come back here! Wait until you are king. He hasn't been king yet.
Mazuduka.
Oh. Greetings, my son.
Greetings to you, sir. Yeah. Ome, it has happened, Lady T. Thank God you are here. Listen, let me tell you, it's very quick one, eh? It's not as if that I'm here to gossip, but I just saw something.
Obina, what happened?
Something that will interest you. You understand? You see, your husband is your husband. I just saw him now walking home with one beautiful girl.
My own husband?
Yeah, you were too kunwa. Eh? If you see the back side of this thing, look at your own.
My own husband?
Man.
Going home with another woman? Obina, dead body go surplus. Eh? I will surely flog that woman.
Come, I will help you.
I will surely flog that woman. I will flog that woman. Come and show me that woman. Come and flog her. Odoka! Where is it? Odoka!
What is it?
Oh, where is that woman?
Auntie? Eh? This one you are holding cane, are we safe?
Agnes, is this your face? Don't tell me that you're coming today now.
Auntie, I wanted to take you all by surprise, but brother saw me first at the park.
She thought she was smart. But why were you shouting my name with so much anger? And what is this cane doing in your hand?
You see this cane? Hey, you see this cane? Anywhere I see that useless boy Obina, I will use this cane. I'll flog him. I will definitely deal with him. Don't worry. That useless boy, I will deal with him. Don't worry.
Auntie, what happened now?
Hey, you see that boy? That boy came to my shop to report to me that he saw my husband with a woman heading home to go and enjoy themselves.
Hey! Brother, is it that boy that greeted you on our way?
Exactly. Yes. Look, that useless boy. I will deal with him very soon. Don't worry.
Nah, don't worry. My husband, I will deal with him. I will deal with him myself. Don't worry. Aggie. Let me get back to the shop. I come back, you will gist me.
You know now.
My husband,
I have a lot of gist for you.
I'll be with you.
Alright. Bye, Auntie.
You see that Obina? I will deal with him.
That boy, I will deal with him.
Guards! Get the car ready for my departure.
Right away, my prince. Let me get the car.
Going somewhere?
I have a meeting with King Godinaka of Fully Kingdom.
Is everything alright? You sound tensed.
My father's madness has started again. And this time I will not let it happen.
What's this noise? You don't want?
What did they worry you?
You know the kind of palace where they say you don't inside the house shrine, you don't sing Obio.
Now make you talk to me. I go tell you slap one day. See, if I talk to you, they respect me. Stand one place.
Maybe take your time.
What do you mean?
Maybe take your time.
What for you? They fight.
Maybe take your time.
You say, man, who
talk?
So I go do your own.
Cataract, Munali. Oh!
Now romance. You see that one? I don't want the blue. I don't want you. Don't say it.
Muna, stop now.
Fight now.
You know the sister of the fight. What do they worry you?
Princess, they call now.
Who be princess?
I better sit down.
I better make a
Let's continue.